Bitcoin is heading into lower levels today, but how low can we actually go in Bitcoin? And the same goes also for Ethereum. There are certain levels that I want to show you, and I found on the daily chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum something really interesting that I want to show you guys. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and today I want to say to you guys, the bonus on Bybit that you find in the pin comment below, the $1,610, is only available for a couple of hours, and then this bonus will be gone. So please take advantage if you haven't yet, and claim your bonus after initial deposit before this bonus actually runs out. So, and now let's jump here straight into the charts. So here I'm on the 4-hourly chart. And here on the 4-hourly chart, you can remember I had yesterday drawn here this a little bit bigger W pattern, but we got rejected at the neckline. So, and this pattern is, in my opinion, with this breakdown invalidated, but we are potentially forming here now a second W pattern here, and this pattern is still valid if the next candle is coming here to the upside. So, and the breakout point or the neckline would be at $47,400 approximately, and the target would be up here at $49,595. I know some of you guys had asked me for a new trade call. So, and there you go. You have asked for it. There's your new trade call, something that we can trade. So, but I also want to talk about the possibility that Bitcoin could actually break here lower. On the higher time frames, on the daily time frame, let me switch quick to the daily. When I look at the stochastic RSI, I definitely see the possibility that we can get here another day or two sideways downwards movement before we turn around here in the stochastic RSI. So, and yeah, that could basically lead to that we either go here a little bit more sideways or a little bit lower, but I don't expect us to go that low. I want to go back here to the 4-hourly chart to show you the levels that I'm watching. So the first one would be obviously here, our pinkish red line at $45,400. This line has, for the time being, held really, really good support. And we can see that the support came in from here, there. Then we had here this small fake out, but we came straight back up. So then also here and also there yesterday, we got support from this level. So we touched this level 6 times so far. So there is really, really a strong support coming in. We can also see that with the recent wicks. So I believe that is the first level that might still hold, and then we get a bounce from there. If not, then we have the next lower level at 44,368. Also here we have from there some support coming in. Then here we broke above it, and also from here we have also support coming in. So yeah, the last line of defense for me would be 44,368. That would be also the point where I would close my position. I would then basically break even with plus minus 0, and then I would stay on the sideline and actually watch if we get here a drop or reverse the upside and then just re-enter. Then I want to go here to the daily chart. So, and here's also something interesting what we can see. Yes, sorry, that was 4 days ago. We pumped all the way up here on the Fibonacci extensions to 0.5. And the day after that, we tried to stay above that level. But now we can see that we got a rejection. So that is now, at the first glance, not bad. I still believe that the price will eventually come back up here and hit the golden pocket of 51,186 all the way up to 52,344. So let me show you why. When we go here a little bit higher, then we can see that we have another resistance box level coming in exactly where the golden ratio sits. So, and that is for me no coincidence. So we have here some confluence in the zone. So here, when we go here all the way back, so there you see it. There you go. A really, really nice confluence, because this whole section here was the topping section. So, and that's why we will also struggle to get into this level. So that is also, in my opinion, the reason why we got here stopped for now. But I really believe once we have bottomed out on the stochastic error side, we will get the bounce to the upside. And with that bounce, we will move into the golden Fibonacci level, to 618 and the 0.65. Yeah, guys, and don't forget to claim your bonus on Bybit. I want to repeat it here again. If you're an experienced trader and you want to take advantage of the trade codes that I'm giving here absolutely for free on my channel, then go to the pinned comment below and click on the link to Bybit to claim your bonus after initial deposit. This bonus is only available for a couple of hours, and then the bonus is gone. So yeah, take advantage of it. So now let's get also here quick into Ethereum. So in Ethereum, we see on the 4-hourly chart something similar, what we also see in Bitcoin, but this pattern is actually still valid. And here is also a W pattern on Ethereum. So and here the high target for it would be, the technical target would be $3,473 here. So, but for this to happen, we need to get here with the next candle in 12 minutes, a bounce to the upside to complete the pattern and break the neckline here. And the neckline is sitting at $3,300 approximately. So that is really important. Also on the daily chart, we have basically the same situation, that we were running here already into the golden ratio here and got rejected from it. So, and now it looks like that the support at $3,182 is still holding. We are fighting with it right now here. So if this level holds, then I also believe that we get a bounce here into the golden pocket, and will also continue to move to the next resistance level all the way up to $4,040. Otherwise, if we fail to close above 3,182 and we don't get a bounce to the upside, then we could potentially fall all the way down to the 0.5 level, which is at $3,044. And then we have to basically hope that we get a bounce from this level back to the upside. Long term, over the next coming weeks, I'm still 100% bullish that we will get over these resistance levels here. But in the immediate short term, we're a little bit now in no man's land. We have to see what's happening. Bitcoin is struggling really hard to break here and to stay above the $46,000 level. The same with Ethereum, to stay above the $3,200 level. Also here on Bitcoin, on the 1-hourly chart, was something that I wanted to show you guys. And that is the EMA ribbon. So unfortunately, here on the EMA ribbon, we are already here now in a downtrend. So let's hope that this will not last for long, and that we will get here a bounce and flip this again to the upside and getting here into an uptrend. But we have actually completed here some technical indicators that are showing that we might stay here longer a little bit in this downtrend. So, and that is when we are flipping the ribbon here at this point, that the price action breaks either before or with that flip down, and then comes back to the top of the ribbon to test it as resistance, and then the price action breaks down again. And that's exactly what we have seen here. So this is not a good sign here on the 1-hourly chart. And the longer we stay on the 1-hourly chart, now in a downtrend, the more likely this will spill over into the 4-hourly chart. So for now, you see we just test here the almost the bottom of the ribbon, which is still fine. So, but if we are not getting here a bounce in the next coming hours, then it's not looking good. Yeah, it's just not looking good. So, but I still believe that we will get here this bounce, but time will tell actually how this is gonna playing out. So then I want to just show you quick my position here on Phemex. You can see I've still my position open. It's still $9,000 in profit, still 20%. I know yesterday it was a little bit more, also this morning, which is absolutely fine. So, and yeah, if you also want to trade on Phemex, you can find next to my Bybit link also a link to Phemex, and there you can get up to $200 bonus. This is still running, so there is no expiration date on it, like on so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and yeah, let me know again in the comments what you actually think, what's going to play out here. Do we get higher? Do we get the bounce, or do we actually break down? I want to enter again in the discussion. I really try to answer all comments that I see. So it gets complicated with so many comments, but I really appreciate each and every one of you yeah, exchanging your ideas with me in the comment section. As usual, guys, smash up the likes, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you know it. I see you tomorrow.